Yeah, I'm here again. Today, well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful app, a business app that will skyrocket your Amazon Kdp publishing or Kdp business, 2023 and beyond. All right, so let's get into it. So now I'll log into my own profile. Okay, so now I'm logged into my own profile there. So and by the right here, by the left, by the left here, there are different things you can do on this website. All right. So for now, what we're particularly interested in is to get keywords that would help our Amazon Kdp business skyrocket, because you know that if you're not running ads for your book on Amazon, the next thing we want to do is to pinpoint keywords. And the beautiful thing about this website is that it gives you keywords and the estimated sales. You understand? The search and say, don't worry, we'll see it. Understand? And estimated sales, unlike other apps, other websites like Kdp Rocket, something like that. I'll still do a video on that one also. But for this now, let's see how powerful this website can be. I would want to, well, let me just pick a random book and then look at it. Look at how powerful this website is. All right. So now this is when you click on when you get to this website. I'll drop the link. I dropped the link to this website in the description of the website. You can also have access to it. It has, what's been said here. Yeah, it's true. But then you can have. I've been using these websites for for a long time now, and then this feature is still showing me free trial here. You understand? 7 days free trial is still showing me that. And then this is where you click this website here. You click on keyword research, right? And even if you have your book already published, you can use the ISIN number to see how the book is doing, but that's for a different video, right? So now you click on keyword research, you need to open. Let's say now I have a low content book because I publish not a low content book, and then I want to look for profitable keywords that would allow my let's say my big journal do well. So fitness journal, so let's do fitness journal. Okay, just fitness journal, don't add anything to it, just use two or three keywords max. In fact, 3 keywords or 1 keyword is even better, because once you use 1 keyword or 1 or 2 keywords, it brings out different variation of what you write. Just watch as simple. Then click on search. Yeah, search. And you see slow down. Slowly. Can you see? These are keywords. These are keywords. These are keywords I can plug into your Kdp. In fact, I'm even taking because I've not published my fitness book different template. So I'll take this and then open it. Use it well. But this is just for an example for you. Okay, so now where this website is a beast for me is that. Now, see something. Let's see something. You see, can you see this piece here? This is a keyword, right? This is a search volume. It tells you this keyword is actually profitable. And once like even if it's 0 estimated sales, provided it has search, right? I plug it into my book. You understand? Plug it into both the title, the subtitle, and then the 7 back-end keyword tabs. You understand? So once I do that now, what that does for you is that it makes your book to rank high. Because as people search this name, it comes up, and then the impression on your book increases, and then the BSR increases. You understand? I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So you can just pick these keywords and then plug them into your own book, and then see you to your account, the Kdp account. Okay, now this CPC now, this cost per click is what those running ads tells you how much the worth of each of these keywords. All right. Then this is estimated orders, 1.3k estimated orders. All right. So that's how it works. And then it even tells you the conversion rate, 9.6. So I see. So now this fitness keyword now gets 22,200 k search, 22.2 k search every, because this data I'm showing you, this is last month's data. Understand? Back new data. So it shows you what people are searching, and people continue to search these keywords month a month, because Amazon has over 60 million monthly visitors that come to the website just to buy things. Understand? So once you plug in your own, we also plug in your book, you get sales. All right. So as I said, I'll drop the link in the description, so you can see there are 20 pages of this fitness keyword. Let me go to the end and we'll see. Now, this website, how it works is that it brings out the keyword based on relevance. And so you can change it. Let me see. You see, or you can filter. Okay, based on relevance. Okay. And then probably you can filter. You see. Okay. And so you can even filter. I didn't even notice that before. So you can even filter. All right. So this website is just too awesome. Just too awesome. So I'll be dropping the link in the description for you to use it for Amazon Kdp, and then Let's win together. All right. So that will be end. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for video contents like this. All right. Kindly subscribe to my channel for video contents like this. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed and let's win together. All right. Thank you.